Hi there viewers, welcome back to the channel. Sit-ups are classic abdominal exercises done by lying on your back and lifting your torso. Sit-ups can benefit your fitness in significant ways when done correctly. If you talk about strengthening your core muscles, then it's hard to miss out on sit-ups. In today's video, we will talk about the benefits of doing sit-ups every day for just 10 minutes and how we should perform it correctly. Before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. What's so special about doing sit-ups for 10 minutes every day? Core strength. Core strength is one of the biggest causes for doing sit-ups. By tightening, strengthening, and toning your core, you decrease your risk of back pain and injuries. You will be able to move with greater ease as you complete 10 minutes of sit-ups every day and participate in athletic activities. Improved muscle mass. Sit-ups build muscle strength in the abdominal and hip muscles. Sit-ups performance may be a useful indicator of muscle loss. Women who can do sit-ups for just 10 minutes every day will surely have higher levels of muscle mass and function. Better balance and stability. A strong core helps you keep your body balanced and stable every day and during athletic activities. They support your pelvis, lower back, and hip muscles to work together with your abdominal muscles. Good balance makes you less likely to fall and injure yourself. Increased flexibility. Moving your spine helps to loosen up stiffness in your spine and hips. Regular 10 minutes of sit-ups make your hips and back more flexible, which increases mobility and relieves tension and tightness. Increased flexibility improves circulation and concentration, reduces stress and increases energy levels. Improved posture. Building a strong core makes it easier to keep your hips, spine, and shoulders aligned, which helps improve posture. Benefits of good posture includes less pain and tension, increased energy levels and breathing. Prevent back pain. Sit-ups can help you build a strong core. They can help reduce or prevent back pain. Studies show that having a strong core is a necessary element to keep your back and spine healthy. A weak core cannot support your spine, and an unsupported spine can cause weak posture and muscle pain over time. Some research suggests that core stability skills may be more important than core strength. Sit-up will improve your metabolism. Sit-ups are great for reasons beyond their capacity to build your strength. As you improve your body by building muscle, you will need to eat more calories to effectively maintain these muscles. This means that with more muscle, you will be burning more calories even when you are at rest. This is a great help for your metabolism and can be extremely beneficial for people hoping to lose weight. A healthy muscle mass not only gives you energy but also improves all kinds of things in your body. As your organs work more efficiently, your circulation improves, which has a positive effect on the energy of your brain. Your digestion improves and metabolism is strengthened. To do sit-ups, lie on your back with bent knees and your feet anchored. Then tuck your chin into your chest to lengthen the back of your neck. Interlace your fingers at the base of your skull. Cross your arms with your hands on opposite shoulders, or place your palms down alongside your body. And exhale as you lift your upper body up toward your thighs. Inhale as you slowly lower yourself back down to the floor. Here we end up for today, guys. So will you start doing sit-ups from tomorrow or not? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.